Hello friends, so let's see what is Panchakavya and how effective it is for the plants, for the pets and also for the humans. So Panchakavya, as my guru says, we have to raise the hand like this because there are 5 fingers. Panch means 5. So there are 5 elements, that 5 uh, different things of cow that we are going to use. So the first one is cow dung, the second is urine, the third is milk, curd, and then ghee. So this is what is Panchakavya. So this is very simple, and you will never forget hereafter. So whenever somebody is asking, you will raise your hands. 5 fingers are there. So 5 things: cow dung, urine, milk, curd, and ghee. So why are we folding this way, not the order sequence? Is because of the measurement. If you are going to prepare 25 liters of Panchakavya, so we will use, the biggest finger is this finger. So 5 kgs of cow dung, 3 liters of urine. So these two fingers are same size. So 2 liters of milk, 2 liters of curd, and then half kgs of ghee. So this is the measurement for preparing 25 kgs. So now we are going to show you the live demo of how to prepare the Panchakavya. So the cow dung, what we do is we mix the ghee, the 5 kgs of cow dung. We will mix the ghee half kgs 3 days before the preparation day, and then hello friends, so in the Panchakavya, the 3 days before, we are going to take this cow dung. This was just put today morning. We will mix the ghee and just leave it for 3 days. We will see lot of microorgans form in that cow dung, and after third day you can take, and then you can prepare the Panchakavya. So this is for 1 kg we are having. So this is our traditional Indian cow. So you can see the cow dung itself is so good. So this is 1 kg. So this is the 5 kgs that we have, and we can mix half kgs of ghee. So you can just, if you are able to get the ghee from your own cow, that's the best one, because we could not get it. We have bought the ghee outside. In 5 kgs of cow dung, this becomes like this. So this is been already mixed with ghee. So the cow dung itself becomes very soft this way. So if you look at, when I touch it, it becomes very soft. So this is of 5 kgs of cow dung. So we will just put it this way, and then try to just mix it 1 second. So the two elements have already mixed, and this is our traditional cow which we have in our farm. It's called Red Sindhi is the cow breed name. And in this we are going to mix 2 liters of milk. So I already have, this is also from our own cow. So I'm going to mix 2 liters of milk. So Panchakavya has been spoken in our ancient lot of poems have got the mention. The Vedic has got the mention of it. The temples will give this as a prasada because it has got lot of microorganisms which we can't see by our naked eye, and very effective for the organic farming. The people have tested this almost a decade, and then they have given this formula to us, and we have seen it working almost 5 years now. So 5 kgs of cow dung. I have mixed the ghee before 3 days, and then I am mixing the milk, 2 liters of milk. Next is the curd, which is also 2 liters. So 2 liters of curd. So we can also consume this Panchakavya in the empty stomach morning. Maybe we can take 30 milliliters of Panchakavya in the empty stomach, and when you take it for 48 days, that is 1 mandala we call it, any type of disease that we have, it will have an improvement on your body. So this has been proven by the Siddha medicine. And in this we are going to mix 3 liters of cow urine. So the cow urine can be little older, but it's good to use the cow dung, the morning one. So this is of 1 liter. The cow urine has got so much of microorganisms in it. 2. This is off. The proportion should be on the right manner, so we should not try to increase or decrease any of the components in it, because everything has been proven, tested by our ancestors, and they are given as a formula. So we should use only that proportion without any deviation. So I have added all the 5 different things from the cow. So once it is done, maybe you can transfer it to a bigger vessel, maybe this drum, to transfer it to the drum. So after this, we are going to add 5 more components in this. Transfer it to this. So after these 5 components, we are going to have 5 more. That is the coconut water. So we have the coconut water here. So this we will have it 3 liters, and then the sugar cane juice we will have it for 3 liters. If we are not getting the sugar cane juice, we will have the jaggery mixed in 2 liters of water, and we can use it. And then we are going to add this banana fruit. So this should be ripe this way. Maybe these are all good to use it. So we will use 1 dozen, which is 12 numbers of bananas in this. And then we can also use maybe papaya or mangoes in this. And last one is 5 liters of water. So 5 components which I said: cow dung, and then the urine, milk, curd, ghee, and along with this we will use coconut water, and then the sugar cane juice. This too is 3 liters, and then the fruit, which is banana, 12 a dozen, and then we will use the water. Along with that, we can use the palm water. If you get it, it will be very good. Or you can use this curd itself, little older one. Maybe after 3 days you can use it. So when you mix everything, at the sunrise and the sunset, we will rotate it clockwise 50 times, and then anti-clockwise 50 times, and again clockwise 50 times. So at the sunrise and at the sunset, we will repeat it for 14 days, and 15th day our Panchakavya will be ready. You will see the changes as you do this process, and after 15 days you can use it for your pets or for your crops, maybe sugar cane, or it may be paddy, it can be groundnuts, it can be dal, it can be foxtail, it can be anything. All types of crops and pets, even for the humans. For the humans, we will filter this, and then you can take this filtered one, and then you can have 30 milli of Panchakavya in the morning before breakfast. It should be in the empty stomach. When you consume, it should go to the small intestine. So that's the idea. And also you can take it in the evening, that is before the dinner. The same way, if you consume for 48 days, any types of disease or any problem that you have, it will be solved, and it will also prevent from any disease that is entering into our body. So I'm going to mix this all, and I'm going to use it for the Panchakavya for 14 days. I'm going to repeat the process what I said. Thank you. So I'm just crushing the bananas like how we do the Panchaamritam. And then in this I'm mixing this jaggery juice, or you can use the sugar cane juice as well. This is the banana is fully crushed, and it becomes like a good smell now. And I'm going to put it back to this Panchakavya drum. And I'm going to transfer it to this drum. And the last one is we're going to mix 5 liters of water. This is for 1 liter. This is 2. Right. 4. And then 5. So everything is mixed. I have already added the cow dung coconut water. This is all good. So now we are going to rotate this clockwise 50 times, anti-clockwise 50 times, and again clockwise 50 times. So just hold it this way. Just take a nice bamboo stick. This is a good bamboo stick. It will be good for mixing. So you will have to hold like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if you could just rotate for 45 times, this itself will rotate automatically for 5 more times. So then we will again do it anti-clockwise. So this has to be done only during the sunrise and sunset. The people who are staying abroad, I have my friend who is in Switzerland. The sunset is around 10:45 p.m. So in that case we will try to do it 2 hours before. The idea of rotating it during the sunrise and sunset is the cosmic rays that is there in this universe will come and then mix in this Panchakavya, and it will have a fabulous effect. We have seen it, and that's why we are insisting to use only during the sunrise and the sunset. So I'm going to do it anti-clockwise now. Last one, so the final one we will do it clockwise, that is 50 times. So once this is done, there are 2 important things that we'll have to do. One is close this drum with a tight container. So the black color one, the tight container has to be closed, and then immediately you should wash this portion with a clean water, because if there are some mosquitoes or the bees going to sit here and lay the eggs, it's going to spoil completely. So we'll have to ensure immediately after this, just wash it with a clean water and then close this drum with a tight container. Use it for 14 days during the sunrise and sunset, clockwise 50 times, anti-clockwise 50 times, again clockwise 50 times. Repeat it for 14 days, and 15th day the Panchakavya is ready. It will be a very good medicinal effect. Everybody is a medicine. Whoever is having it, the immunity system will be increased like anything. So good luck. Just try Panchakavya and you have a healthy life. Thank you so much.